After decades of transforming hair and confidence around the world, Sean and Joseph are bringing their artistry to women ready for their next chapter. This is Radiant Restyle.
Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Martini and Makeovers, where typically in the past we have talked about who the next honoree is going to be. Well, we're going to change things up, as you can tell. This episode we're going to talk about as what you've seen already play out, what's coming up. It's kind of like a what to expect coming up on the next episode. So
we have our next honoree is Maritza.
Maritza?
Yes. Did I say it wrong?
Yes, she did.
I'm sorry. So sorry. Maritza.
She was so much fun.
She was so much fun. It was amazing. I feel like you guys are going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked.
Yeah.
She's a grandmother. She doesn't look like a grandmother.
No, not
she
at all.
looks...
Especially after the makeover.
Yes.
I think that everybody in that whole restaurant was like, who is
just when she walked in.
Is she a celebrity?
Just when she walked in. I mean, her dress, her walk, her look, She carried herself. She carried herself.
It big time.
She did.
I knew when we saw her reflective room, and she was talking about, well, we named the episode Living La Vida Loca, and you will learn why we named it that, but She owned it.
Yes. She did. She did a great job. And I do believe from talking to her, she enjoyed it just as much as we did doing the makeover. So very excited for you guys to see. You gotta like, share, and subscribe to Radiant Restyle Collective on YouTube, and you will be able to see the whole episode. You'll be able to like and share it with all of your friends because it's amazing. It's amazing.
We got so excited, we forgot why we were even here. For the martinis. That's why I always show up for these events, for the martinis.
Because I don't know if you listened, but since this is my week for the martini, again, I would say you don't listen to the details. So I did. So the details were that Maritza loves lemon drop martinis.
I spent like almost a lot of time with her.
I wonder though if you hear some of these things.
Part.
Sometimes you miss some of these things. So,
and then your little surprise during the episode. Like, I'm not sure what you...
Well, I want them to see it now.
Was I not there? I'm sorry.
Yeah. Sometimes I go, hello, McGillicuddy, you in there?
To me? Hello, McGillicuddy, is you. So anyways, what is this?
So anyway,
I can guess what it is based on we've shot the episode.
So this is my signature lavender.
Lemon drop?
You said you knew.
Well, Maritza's favorite martini is a lemon drop.
So I changed it up and added a little bit of my flair to it. So this is a lavender.
She's bougie on a budget, and you got to take it to another step.
So lavender lemon martini. Lemon drop. Shake her up.
I like it.
Now I added a little extra in there, a little extra.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
So good. And then you got to have your little garnish.
Oh, Sean. I like the one on the episode better. It was prettier.
Well, it's because that was for Maritza and us. This is for you.
Maritza's more important than me. But
okay, and cheers. So I did add a little bit of a sugar rim.
Oh, I'm watching my calories. I don't know sugar anymore. Sugar was so 1980s.
This isn't real sugar. This isn't real sugar. So here you go. Cheers. See if you like this one better.
Oh, that's good.
Of course, mine are always the best.
But, all right. They are delicious, but right now we're going to cut away and let you see a trailer of Maritza's makeover. And boy, you're going to be surprised.
You're going to be shocked.
If you were to describe yourself as a dance song, which one of these best describes you and your style? Living La Vida Loca, Dancing Queen, or Dancing in the Dark?
Living La Vida Loca. It's a Latina.
What you're getting ready to see today is a true Living La Vida Loca experience for Maritza, and if you're not shocked, I don't know what we've done right. What did you think? Does that not look exciting?
Yes,
It's
yes.
good. Gosh.
You know, the comments that we get on all of the shows so far have been incredible. I think this one's going to be a topper. I think this one's going to be one that everybody is blown away with.
I think you can tell by the trailer and the audience's response that there's a lot going there. You're not going to want to miss it. And the way we kind of changed things up and the way she chose, you know, like...
Well, we just want to keep it exciting. We don't want you to get used to this is the way we format our shows. We want it exciting for you guys. We want you to keep you guessing. So you always want to watch to the end because there's always new things evolving and new things happening. So. And
this episode was the first episode we introduced the Sheoa. For those that don't know, Sheoa is a combination of Sean and Joe. And of course, we had to make it French, like oui, with a little A with the attaché, Sheoa, as you say.
Yes.
And
so she got the Sheoa experience.
The Sheoa experience, where we decided to not go so cutthroat against each other like we normally do. We decided to team up, and it worked out really well.
It did.
Because the cut was phenomenal.
We may have to duplicate that in the future, but I do like the competition a little bit.
And then the color, she chose well.
Yes, she chose
I
very
kind of
well.
wanted her to lean in towards the other color, but it was the right color at the end of the day.
Yes,
and I was
absolutely.
super excited. So I don't know, it's a lot. And then we just, I'm sure you guys are going to love the episode as we've said, but going backwards, you got to see Debbie's episode, and that was outstanding.
Yes.
Debbie, that was a big change too.
That was a very big change.
So, I feel like it was an ultimate success. I think we nailed it.
I think we did too. I think our viewers are thinking that too, because it's you guys. Thank you for lost my words. I'm so emotional. Thank you for sponsoring us. Thank you for watching our show. We really appreciate you.
No more laughing, Margaret.
I'm making that one a little strong. So, yes, thank you for sponsoring us, watching our show, sharing and liking and subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate you so much. We want to let you know how much we thank you for that.
You guys are amazing. Please like and subscribe all of our social media channels. There's a little something different on each one. You know, and if you've not been on our actual YouTube channel, there's a lot on there that I'm finding people didn't realize. We shoot shorts, and we talk about all of our tips are done in the shorts. There's a little category button, just hit it. There's a ton of videos with tips and tricks that we give out. And then our long reels, they're amazing. They're a good sit around. Instead of watching a movie, just watch our show. Do you need a movie?
No, you don't need a movie.
No.
Watch the Radiant Restyle Collective. It's going to be the new hit for the summer.
Yep. Here's Martini Makeover to Maritza.
And always remember,
be the best you can be.
And drink responsibly. Your turn for the Uber.
It is. I think Maritza's she's the best she can be right now.
I think she is the best she can be.
Yeah.
I think we helped with that.
I know. I'm really proud of myself.
Love you guys.